Hello, I'm Rashmi Kotharkar. Today's date is 6 September 2021 and today's my video topic is linked list in Java programming. So let's first of all see what is the linked list in Java. So basically the linked list is the collection of the object called as the node which represents the nodes that are randomly stored in a memory. So that is called as the linked list. So the linked list having the two field, that is the data stored in a particular address and the pointer to that pointer which contains of the address to the next node in the memory. So these are the two field and the last node to the list is contains a pointer to the null. So a linked list is a data structure consisting of the group of the node which represents the sequence. So can maintain here sequence. It is basically the random in nature. That is, it is dynamic in nature, which represents the memory allocated when required. That means that the number of the nodes in the list is not fixed. That is, we can grow on as per our demand. So this is the advantages of the linked list. The application that has to be deal with the unknown number of the object which must be used the linked list. So there are basically two fields, that is the data field is store whatever the element type of the list hold for its client, and then the second field is the next field. Next field is used to point the address of the next node in the memory. That is the pointer which contains of the one node will point to link the one node which is pointing to the next node. So these are the two fields, and the last node of the list contains of the null which is used to signify the last node. Then there are mainly three types available for the linked list. That is the single linked list. First one is the single linked list, and second one is the double linked list, and third one is the circular linked list. So let's see the one by one details about these the types of the linked list. So the first type is the single linked list. So in single linked list is which contains of the node that are which have the data part as well as the link part. That is the next node which is point to the next nodes in a sequence of the node. So this is about the single linked list. Then let's see the second type, that is a double linked list. In doubly linked list, it means each node contains of the two nodes, two links. That is the first link point to the previous node, and the second link is a point to the next node in the sequence. So this is about the doubly linked list, and the third one is the circular linked list. In circular linked list, that is the last item contains of the link of the first element as next, and the first element has the link of the last element and as previous. So this is about the circular linked list. Then the class which is implements with data structure, which is the linear data structure, where the element are not stored in a contiguous memory location, and the every element is a separate object with the data part and the address part. So this is the information about the linked list in Java programming. Thank you.